First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 4 on the topic problems on ages, we are going to solve 10 questions, and all these 10 questions we have picked from the comment section of various videos where students have posted it. So interesting, a few questions are easy but few questions are medium level, but it's little bit tricky. So don't forget to watch all the 10 questions in this lesson number 4. So let me move on to all the questions now. Question number 1. The ratio of age of a couple, man and his wife, is 5:3 when they get married. After 8 years, their ages are in a ratio 7:5. When they purchase a new car, their ages ratio is 3:2. Then after how much year they bought a new car? So friends, listen here. First, what they are saying is the ratio of man and his wife is given, that is 5:3 at the time of marriage, and after 8 years their ages are in a ratio 7:5. So in between this marriage and after 8 years they have purchased a car, right? But we don't know after how much year they have purchased a car, but after some year they have purchased a car. At that time the age ratio is given 3:2. So what is our target? Our target to find after how much year they have purchased a car. Interesting question. First, let me do one thing. By using the first two data, right, at the time of marriage, after 8 years, by using the two ratios, let me find what is the age of the man and his wife at the time of marriage. If we find their age at the time of marriage, then finding the year at what year they have bought a car is very easy. See here, what I'm going to do is, first a couple, that is man and a wife, right? So man and his wife ratio is given 5:3, right? And they are talking about the future because after 8 years. So after 8 years, the man and his wife ratio is 7:5. So easy, right? We can say this as 5x and 3x. And after 8 years, so 5x plus 8 divided by 3x plus 8. So the ratio is 7 divided by 5. So let me do one thing. 5 into 5, 25x. So 25x plus 40 is equals to 21x plus 56. So I think this will be 4x. 56, 40 will be 16. So 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 4, which is 5 into 4 will be 20. So we can say at the time of marriage where the man's age will be 20. So 4 into 3 will be 12. So we can say at the time of marriage where the wife age will be 12, right? It's a child marriage. Okay, so 20 is to 12. So 20 is to 12 will be the age of the man and also age of the woman at the time of marriage, right? And in between, after some years, they have purchased a car, and the car ratio is 3:2. Sorry, after purchasing the car, where the ages are in a ratio 3:2. Let me do one thing. We know that man's age at the time of marriage is 20 and his wife age at the time of marriage is 12. It is easy that, so 20 after some years, similarly divided by where wife age after some years, the ratio becomes 3/2. So friends, got the logic, right? So at the time of marriage, man's age is 20, wife age is 12. After some years, they have purchased a car, and then the age ratio is 3 divided by 2. So let me keep it as x, right? So this can be easily cross multiplied. So 20 into 2 will be 40. 12 into 2, 12 into 3 will be 36. 3x, 2x will be x. So x is equal to 4. So it's really easy, right? You can directly calculate this because 3x and 2x will be x, then 40, right? So 20 into 2 will be 40, 12 into 3 will be 36. So 40 minus 36 will be 4. We already know that 3x, 2x will be x. So x is equal to 4. So learn all these fast methods, right? So finally we got the value of x is equal to 4, which determines after their marriage, right? After they're getting married, after 4 years, they have purchased a new car. Then only the ratio can be 3:2. So we can say answer for this question, after 4 years they have purchased a new car. Question number 2. Raju decided to marry 2 years after he gets a job. He was 18 years old when he passed class 12th. After passing 12th class, he had completed his graduation course in 4 years and PG course in 2 years. He got the job exactly 1 year after the completion of PG course. At what age will he get married? So actually I think that we can solve this question without using pen and paper, because We can logically solve this question. Our target to find at what age will he get married, right? It's easy because we know that he was 18 years old when he completed the class 12th. So we can say while completing plus 2, right? That is 12th standard, his age was 18. And then what he did, he completed his graduation course in 4 years. So another 4 years, so 18 plus 4. And then he did a PG course, that is 2 years, so another 2 years. And then he got the job exactly 1 year after completion of the PG course. So after completing PG course, he got a job after 1 year. But the first point what they are saying is Raju decided to marry 2 years after he getting a job. Then we can say another 2 years. So I think if you add all the values, you will get an answer, right? Because 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9, 18 plus 9 will be 27. So we can say at the age of 27, he got married. Yeah, correct, right? So Raju decided to marry 2 years after he getting a job. So after getting a job, he got a job after 1 year. So this will be the graduated course, PG course, and plus 2. Yeah, the answer is 27 years. So these are the questions are really easy. You can solve without pen and paper. By reading a question, don't think that it was too lengthy, so it is difficult. No, it is not difficult. So once you understand this question, it will be very easy. Question number 3. In a family, the father's age is 1/3 of the grandfather's age. 1/3 of the grandfather's age. The mother age is 7/9 of the father age. And the child age is 1/7 of the mother age. So find the difference between grandfather age and child's age if the mother age is 21. So I think the question is not so difficult, because see here they are talking about grandfather, father, child and a mother. And at the last point they have given the age of the mother. If one person age is given, then finding all the remaining 3% age is really easy, right? But there is a small tricky thing in this question. You need to be careful on that, right? So first what they are saying is mother age is given, so mom age is given, that is 21. And let me do one thing. Our target to find the difference between grandfather age and the child age, right? Okay, so I think first let me find what is the child age, because child age is 1/7 of the mother age. So we can easily say child age is 1/7 of the mother age, and we already know that mother age is 21. So we can cancel this and we can say child age is 3. So it is easy, right? So first we have calculated the child age, that is 3. So next target, our target to find the grandfather's age. And what they are saying is the mother age is 7/9 of the father age, right? So listen here, mother age is how many times? 7/9 of the father age. So 7/9 of the father age. You should not put 7/9 here, it is wrong, because mother age is equal to 7/9 of the father age. Some students what they used to do is they used to put 7/9 here. That is wrong, right? Beginners don't do that. So they are saying that mother's age is 7/9 of the father age, right? So now you can say father age is equal to 21 into 9/7. You can cancel this 3 times, so 27. So father age is 27. So our target is not to find the father age, our target to find the grandfather age, right? And the first point what they are saying, in a family father age is 1/3 of the grandfather age. So father age 27 is equals to father age is 1/3 of the grandfather age. So don't put 1/3 here, it is wrong, because father age is 1/3 of grandfather age. So grandfather is equals to 3 into 27. So grandfather is equals to 81, right? 7 3s are 21, 2, 6 and 81. So finally we found the grandfather age is 81, father age is 27, mom age is 21 and child age is 3. But what is our target? Our target to find the difference between the child age and the grandfather age. So child age is 3, grandfather age is 81. So the difference will be 78, right? So we can say difference is 78, which is answer for this question. It's really easy question, but kindly don't make mistakes here. Beginners, some students what they used to do is they write 7/9 here, similarly they write 1/3 here. No, it is wrong, right? So the comparison is most important, right? So father age, mother age is 7/9 of the father age. So father into 7/9 is equals to mother age. So finally answer for question number 3 is 78. Question number 4. Preeti father age was 2.5 times of Preeti's age. The ratio of present age of Preeti mother to Preeti grandmother age is 5:9. 3 year ends, Preeti mother age was 43 and the ratio of age of her grandfather, grandmother and Preeti is 13:12:3. What is Preeti father age after 7 years? See here, the complete question is based upon 4 persons. One is Preeti, Preeti father and Preeti grandmother and Preeti grandfather and also Preeti mother, right? So interesting question. And what is our target? Our target to find Preeti father age after 7 years. Let me do one thing. In the first point, what they are saying is Preeti father age was 2.5 times of Preeti age. So we can say Preeti father, right, age is 2.5 times the Preeti age. So this is the first data they have given, and our target to find what is Preeti father age after 7 years. Definitely we should find what is Preeti age. Only then we can find what is Preeti father age. No other way. By using all the remaining data, our only target to find what is Preeti age, right? And in the next point, what they have given is the ratio of present age of Preeti mother to Preeti grandmother. Okay, let me do one thing. Preeti mother ratio to Preeti grandmother, where the ratio is given, that is 5:9. Okay, so let me take it as 5x and 9x, right? And in the next point, 3 years ends. What is called as ends after 3 years, right? So after 3 years, Preeti mother age was 43. So listen here, what they are saying is after 3 years, where the Preeti mother age was 43, directly the age is given, that is 43. If after 3 years the age is 43, then 3 years ago, that is before 3 years, definitely the Preeti mother age will be 40. So we already know that Preeti mother age is in a ratio 5x. So we can definitely say the value of x will be 8. Only then we can say the Preeti mother age will be 40. So friends, understood this concept, right? What they are saying is from this point, after 3 years, where Preeti mother age is 43, then before 3 years definitely Preeti mother age will be 40. So we already know that Preeti mother and Preeti grandmother age is 5:9. Now we know that the Preeti mother age is 40. So definitely 5 into 8 will be 40. So we can say the value of x should be definitely 8. So we can say here at this point, where 8 5s are 40 will be Preeti mother age. Similarly 9 8s are 72. So 72 will be Preeti grandmother age. So finally we found 40 and 72. Okay. So what is the next step? What is the next data they have given? The ratio of age of grandfather, grandmother and Preeti is 13:12:6. Okay, so they have given 3% ratio, that is grandfather, right? So Preeti grandfather, next is Preeti grandmother, and the next is Preeti, right? So Preeti, okay, so 13:12:3. So let me do one thing. What is our only target? Only target to find what is the Preeti age, and we found the Preeti age is in the part 3 ratio. So we can do one thing. This can be taken as 13x, 12x and 3x. And we already know that Preeti grandmother age is 72. And here we know the Preeti grandmother is in a ratio 12. So we can directly say 12x is equal to 72. So x is equal to 6. So finally we got the value of 6. So 6 into 3 will be 18, which is Preeti age. So we found the Preeti age is 18. What an interesting question. So once you find the Preeti age, then finding Preeti father age is very easy, because 2.5 into Preeti age will be Preeti father age. So Preeti father is equal to 2.5 into Preeti age, that is 18. So 18 into 2 will be 36, 18 into 0.5 will be 9, 36 plus 9 will be 45. So 45 will be the Preeti father age, and our target to find what is Preeti father age after 7 years. Then add 7 years. So we can say 52. So 52 will be the Preeti father age. Seriously, an interesting question. The students who knows the concept of problems on ages perfectly, only you can solve this question, right? Without knowing a concept, if you learn only shortcuts, then definitely these are the questions cannot be solved. So remember that the basic and the concept is always important to crack all the difficult level questions. It is not difficult, it's a medium level question, but anyway, the concept plays a major role here. So first what they have given is our target to find what is Preeti father age, and in the first point they have given Preeti father age is 2 times the age of Preeti. So only if you find what is Preeti age, then only we can find what is Preeti father age, no other way. In the second point what they have given, Preeti mother is to Preeti grandmother age are in a ratio 5:9, and after 3 years where Preeti mother age is 43, then definitely we can say before 3 years her age will be 40. If 5x is equal to 40, then definitely x is equal to 8. If x is equal to 8, then we can say Preeti mother will be 5x, that is 40, then 9x will be 72. So finally by using the second point we have found that Preeti mother age is 40 and Preeti grandmother age is 72. And in the third point they have given a ratio for 3 person, Preeti grandfather, Preeti grandmother and Preeti, a ratio 13:12:3, and we already know that Preeti grandmother age is 72 and here Preeti grandmother ratio is 12x. So 12x is equal to 72, x is equal to 6. So finally we got what is the value of x. We already know that Preeti is in a ratio 3x, so 3 into 6 will be 18. So finally we found the Preeti age is 18. So after that finding a Preeti father age is easy. 2.5 into Preeti age plus after 7 years it will be 52. So finally answer for this question number 4 is 52. Question number 5. The present age of Romila is 1/4 of that of her father age. After 6 years the father age will be twice the age of couple. If couple celebrates 5th birthday 8 years ago, what is Romila's present age? So see here they are talking about 3 persons. One is Romila and the father, and the next is a couple, right? The father age is compared with couple, and our target to find what is Romila's present age. And the first point they are talking about present age, and then they are talking about future, right, after 6 years. Interesting question. Let me do one thing. Present age, right? So present, what they are saying is Romila age is 1/4 of his father age. So this is the point they have given initial in the present. And the next point after 6 years. So after 6 years what they are saying is father age will be twice the age of couple. So father age is equal to 2 times of couple, that is twice the age of couple. So after how much years? After 6 years. Okay, so this is the first 2 points they have given. And now they are talking about the person couple, right? So couple celebrates 5th birthday 8 years ago. So listen carefully. 8 years ago where couple celebrates his 5th birthday. So after 8 years definitely couple's age will be 13. So we can say that the present age of couple is 13, right? And we know that father is 2 times the age of couple, that is twice the age of couple only after 6 years. So at 6 years, so now couple age is 19. So we can say father is equal to 2 times of 19. So father age will be 38. So finally we found the age of father is 38 after 6 years. So and our target to find the present age of Romila. Then we can say before 6 years, then we can say the father age will be definitely 32. So instead of if we can substitute 32 here. So Romila age will be 8. So 8 years. So answer for this question number 5 is 8 years. I think you can logically solve this question. It's easy, right? Because initially they are saying Romila age is 1/4 times the father, 1/4 of the father age. After 6 years, father age will be twice the age of couple. And for the couple they have given, what they have given is couple celebrates 5th birthday 8 years ago. Then 8 years ago if he celebrates 5th birthday, then the present age will be 5 plus 8 will be 13. So present age of couple is 13. After 6 years his age will be 19, and we know that after 6 years father will be twice of couple, so father age will be 38. So before 6 years father will be 32, and our target to find what is what is name of the person? Romila. Okay, Romila. So Romila will be 1/4 of her father, so 1/4 into 32 will be 8. So Romila age will be 8 years. Interesting. Only thing is you should know the basics properly, only then you can able to solve this question. Question number 6. X age 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of Y. At present, Z's age is twice the age of Y. Also Z is 12 years younger than X. What is the present age of Z? So interesting question. Here they are talking about three persons, that is X, Y and Z. So remember that our target to find the present age of Z. And another important point is given where Z is 12 years younger than X. So remember that in lesson number 3 I have told you one thing. If one person age is compared with other person, then we can call it as a difference. For example, if my age is 20, your age is 24, then we can say my age is 4 years less than yours. So we can also say this as my age and your age difference is 4. So friends, got it? Remember that if they are talking about one person is 12 years younger than other person, the meaning is both the person age difference is 12. Similarly, if one person is 12 years older than other person, the meaning is the difference between both the person age is 12, right? Which I have taught you in lesson number 3, 2 and every lesson in this problems on ages, right? So now let me do one thing. We can say where the X age is compared with Y. So we can say the present age of Y. So Y's present age, let me keep it as A, right? So friends, got it? So Y present age is A. Then X present age. So X present age, what they are saying is X age 3 years ago. So 3 years ago we need to subtract 3. Now we are calculating a present age. So plus 3, right? So 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of Y. So 3 times the present age of Y plus 3 will be the present age of X. Got it? So 3 times the age of Y and 3 years ago, right? So from the past to the present plus 3. So 3A plus 3 will be the present age of X. And Z is 2 times, that is twice the age of Y. So we can say Z age will be twice the age of Y. So twice the age of Y will be Z. And now what they are saying is Z is 12 years younger than X. The meaning is the difference between X and Z will be 12. So we can say X difference Z will be 12. So we can say 3A plus 3 minus 2A is equals to 12. So 3A and 2A will be A. So 12 minus 3 will be 9. So A is equal to 9. So finally we found the value of A and our target to find the present age of Z. So present age of Z will be 2A, that is 2 into 9 will be 18. So the present age of Z will be 18 years. Interesting question, easy. But you need to learn all those basics properly, right? So this area is most important, which I have taught you in lesson number 3. So always remember that in a question, if they are comparing one person with other person by 13 years older or 22 years younger, so these are the concept. You should write this equation correctly. They are talking about a difference of both a person, right? So finally answer for question number 6 is Z is equal to 18 years. Question number 7. The respective ratio between the present age of Ram and Selva is 3:X. Selva is 24 years older than Prem. So Prem's age after 7 years will be 23 years. So Ram age is 75% of Selva's age. What is the difference between the value of X and the age of Ram? So interesting question. So initially what they are saying is the age of Ram and Selva, right? So Ram and Selva age is given, that is 3:X, but we don't know what is the ratio of the person Selva, right? So 3:X. In the second point, where Selva is 24 years older than Prem, so we can say the Selva age is 24 year plus Prem. So friends, got the point. What they are saying is Selva is 24 years older than Prem. So Prem age plus 24 years will be the age of the person Selva. And the next point, where Ram age, another point they have given, where Prem age after 7 years will be 23. So listen here friends, what they are saying is Prem age after 7 years will be 23. Then we can definitely say before 7 years the Prem age will be 16, right? So we can say Prem age is 16. I think it is easy question because Selva will be 24 plus 16, so Selva will be 40, and now we got the Prem age. So Prem age is 16 and we need to find what is a Ram age, right? So Ram age will be 75%. Next point, listen, next point, Ram age is 75% of Selva age. So Ram is equals to 75% of Selva age, that is 40. So we can cancel 0 and 0. Similarly, we can cancel 2 times, 5 times, 15 times. Ram age will be 30. So finally we got the answer, that is Ram age is 30, Prem age is 16, Selva age is 40. And what is our target? What is the difference between the value of X and the age of Ram? So until this, every student will easily calculate the value, but at the last, where many students will make a mistake, that they used to find the difference of value of X, that is Selva age is 40 and the Ram age is 30. So they will say the answer is 10 years. Whether it is right or wrong, 10 years, right? The Selva age X and the Ram age 30, they are asking a difference, right? So difference of 40 and 30 is 10 years. If you say the answer is 10 years, it is wrong. No, answer is not 10 years. Listen, the target calculate. What is the target? Find the difference between the value of X. What is the value of X here? That is important. Our target not to find the difference of age between Selva and Ram, not. Our target to find the difference of value of X and the age of the person Ram. We know the age of the person Ram is 30, that is correct, right? So we can say the age of the Ram is 30. What is the value of X? We know the age of Ram age is 30 and Selva age is 40, so we can cancel 0 and 0. Now the value of X is 4, 3 is to X, so 3 is to 4. So age of the value of X is 4, so 4 difference 30 will be 26. So answer for this question is 26. Friends, got it? Don't say the answer is 10, it is wrong. Answer for this question is 26, because they are asking a difference for the age of the person Ram to the difference of value of X, right? Where we know the Selva age is 40 and Ram age is 30. Cancel 0 and 0. So finally we got a ratio 3 is to 4. Initially they have given 3 is to X. So we can say the value of X is equal to 4. So the difference is 4. Difference age of Ram 30. The answer is 26. I think that's the reason the student have posted this question, because he says the answer is 10 years. No, 10 years is not a correct answer. Right, got it? Got the logic, right? So it is wrong. The answer is 26 years. So be careful while solving these types of easy questions, because these are the questions. It's really easy. They won't ask this question in the mains exam. They always ask this question in the prelims exam, because you will be little bit faster and you will make a mistake here. So that's the reason they used to give this question in the prelims exam. So be careful what they are asking. Question number 8. 4 years ago, the respective ratio between 1/2 of A's age at that time and 4 times the B's age at that time was 5:12. 8 year ends, 1/2 of A's age at that time will be less than B's age at the time by 2 years. What is B's present age? So I think in this question they are talking about 4 years ago. They are talking about past and also present and also future, because look at the second or third line, 8 years ends. So they are talking about past, present and future, right? So let me do one thing. So past, present and also future. So 4 years ago, right? So from the present, so 4 years ago, what they are saying is 1/2 of A's age and 4 times B's age is 5:12. So we can say, listen carefully, so 5:12 they have given a ratio, and what they are talking about A's age is, so A's age is 1/2 of A's age. So we can say 1/2 of A is 5 parts, and the next point what they are saying, 4 times of B. So 4 times of B age, and we know the B part is 12. I think easily we can find what is the age of A, because 1/2 into A is equal to 5, then A is equals to 10. Similarly we can cancel this, then B will be 3. So finally we found the age of A is 10 and the age of B is 3. So let me keep it as 10x and 3x, right? So 10x and 3x will be the past. Okay, so let me keep this as 10x and 3x. Okay, so after 4 years, definitely the A's age will be 10x plus 4 and B age will be 3x plus 4. And next point what they are saying is 8 years ends. So from the present, again 8 years ends, that is they are talking about a future. So add 8 here, that is 10x plus 12. B age will be 3x plus 8 plus 4 will be 12. Okay, so A age will be 10x plus 12. B age will be 3x plus 12, that is future, and this will be the present, and this is past, and this will be the future. So listen carefully, 8 years ends 1 by 2 of A's age. So 1 by 2 of A's age will be 10x plus 12 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 of A's age at that time will be less than B's age at that time by 2 years. Listen carefully, A's age is equal to B's age minus 2 years. Friends, got the logic, right? Listen the word carefully. 1 by 2 of A's age. So 1 by 2 of A's age at that time will be less than B's age by 2 years. So minus 2 years. We know that B's age will be 3x plus 12. So 3x plus 12 minus 2. So once you write this equation correctly, then the entire equation is easy. So 1 by 2 of A's age is equals to B's age less than 2 years. So we are subtracting minus 2 here. So A's age is equal to B's age minus 2 years. So I think we need to solve this. Actually we can say 3x plus 12 minus 2 will be 3x plus 10. So we can write this as 3x plus 10. So 10x plus 12 is equals to 6x plus 20. So we can cancel this 4x. So 20 and 12 will be 8. So x is equal to 2. And what is our target? Our target to find B's present age. So present age of B will be 3x plus 4 because it's past and this is present. So 3x plus 4 will be present. So 3 into 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4 will be 10. So finally B's present age will be 10 years. So very interesting question. So finally we got an answer for question number 8, that is B's present age will be 10 years. Question number 9. 8 years ago, Jyoti's age was equal to Swati present age. If the sum of Jyoti's age 10 years from now and Swati age 6 years ago is 88 years, what was Jusam's age 14 years ago if Jusam's is 8 years younger to Swati? Okay, so initially what they are saying is 8 years ago, right? They are talking about the past. 8 years ago, Jyoti's age was equal to Swati's present age. So first, Jyoti's age is compared with Swati. Let me do one thing. We can keep Swati age as x. So Swati present age, let me keep it as x. And what they are saying is 8 years ago, Jyoti age was equal to Swati present age. So they are talking about the past 8 years ago. What we usually do, we will subtract 8. So from the past to the present, we usually add 8, right? So now the present age of Jyoti, right? Jyoti's age. Okay, so it will be x plus 8, right? 8 years ago, Jyoti was equal to Swati age. So we can say Jyoti's present age will be x plus 8. So x plus 8 will be Jyoti's present age and the Swati present age that we assumed as x. Okay, second point, if the sum which is addition, right? If the sum of Jyoti age 10 years from now, okay, so they are saying sum of both the person's age, that is sum of Jyoti age, okay, Jyoti age 10 years from now. So let me add 10 here, okay, and Swati age 6 years ago. So 6 years ago, so they're talking about the past, so minus 6 is 88. So let me do one thing. So x plus 8 plus 10 plus x minus 6 is equal to 88. Friends, got the logic, because they are saying that sum of both the person age, sum which is addition. So addition of both the person ages, right? So 10 years ends 6 years ago. So we have subtracted 6 and here we have added 10. So which is 88. So I think this can be written as, so this will be 4, 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 2x plus 12 is equals to 88. So 2x is equal to 88 minus 12. So 2x is equal to 76. So x is equal to 38. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 38. And what they are saying is, so what is x? We know that the value of x will be Swati present age. So Swati present age will be 38 years. Okay. And next point, what they are saying, they are talking about a new person, that is Jusam's. Okay, so Jusam age 14 years ago, if Jusam age is 8 years younger than Swati. So listen carefully, what they are saying is Jusam age is 8 years younger than Swati, right? So if it is younger than Swati, then definitely Jusum's age should be 30, because we know that Swati age is 38. Jusum is 8 years younger, so we can say 38 minus 8 will be 30, will be the Jusum's age. And what is our target? Our target to find what was Jusum age 14 years ago, right? So 14 years ago, again subtract 14, so Jusum age will be 16. So this is present age of Swati, right? And present age of Jusum is 30, and they are saying it was 8 years younger, so we have subtracted 8, so Jusum's present age will be 30. But our target to find 14 years ago, what was Jusum age? 14 years ago, subtract minus 14 will be 16. So Jusum age will be 16 years. Yeah, it's correct. So finally, answer for question number 9 is 16. It's an easy question, but sum is called as an addition. I don't know why this student have asked me a doubt, but I didn't look at the mail cap properly, but I have just took only the question. So finally, answer for this question is 16 years. Last 10th question. 3 years ago, the respective ratio between A's age at that time and B's age at that time was 9:5. If A's age 2 year ends will be 17 years more than B's age 5 year ends, what is the B's present age? So listen carefully. Again we found there is a comparison between two persons. Age is compared. Listen here. A's age is 17 years more than B. Just now I have told you, every time while solving a problems on ages question, again and again this concept plays a major role. If one person age is compared with another person, the meaning is the difference between both the age will be 17 years, right? Here A's age will be 17 years more than B's age. The meaning is A difference B is equal to 17. So be careful on that, right? Okay, so what they are saying, 3 years ago the respective ratio between A's age and at the time of B's age at the time was 9:5. So 3 years ago, they are talking about the past, right? And here is the present. Okay, so 3 years ago their ages are in a ratio 9:5. Then we can definitely say from the past to the present, so 9x plus 3 will be A's age, and second person 5x plus 3 will be the B's age. Okay, next point, if A's age 2 year ends, so 2 year ends, which means after 2 years, so A age after 2 years, add 2 year, 17 years more than B's age 5 years ends, so B's age is 5 year ends, that is after 5 years, so add 5 year. The meaning is A's age difference B's age is 17, so A age will be 9x plus 3 plus 2, minus of B age will be 5x minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 17. So this is the present age of A and this is the present age of B, right? So this 2, that is they are telling that 2 year ends, which is after 2 years, then after 5 years for B. So what they are saying, A's age is 17 years more than B's age. The meaning is difference of A's age minus B's age will be 17. So this can be written as, I think we can cancel 3 and 3 here. Similarly, this will be minus 3, so plus 2 and minus 5 will be minus 3. Once you bring this minus 3 towards right hand side, it will be plus 3. So 9x 5x will be 4x, so 4x is equal to 20, so x is equal to 5. And what is our target? Our target to find B's present age. So B's present age will be 5x plus 3, so 5 into 5 will be 25, 25 plus 3 will be 28. So B's present age will be 28. So finally, answer for the last question, that is present age of the person B is 28 years. So finally, we have solved 10 different questions in this lesson number 4 on the topic problems on ages. Kindly students, those who mail me as a doubt, so check this video whether you have still, if you have any doubt on the question, so again mail me, I will try to answer in any other way or any other shortcut method if it has. So remember that don't learn shortcut, that was repeatedly saying by me, don't learn shortcut. If you learn shortcuts, only shortcuts, then solving out of this 10 questions only 3 or 4 is possible. The students who know the traditional method, who know the basics strongly, can able to solve all the 10 questions. So that's the reason I'm saying again and again saying, be strong on the basics, learn traditional method. Even you know shortcut, try to learn the traditional basic method, right? So only you can solve even the question is very tougher. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any doubts, just post the question in the comment section. I will definitely try to make this as a video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for competitive exams. Thank you so much. Bye.